Oh, my mic was muted this whole time. Could you guys hear me breathing through that song? Alright, let's see. I don't know why I'm so tired on Mondays. Like, Mondays, I just wake up and I'm like, ugh. But you know what? We still come here every day, get better every day trade every day, and make money every day. Right? Can you trade with no money? Yes, you can trade with fake money. But okay, let's see. Because I'm lazy. Yeah, I saw your message right here already. I have a purple pillow. Only got two stocks. I'm interested. Only got two stocks. Wait, why do you're making me sound like an idiot by reading your message, Urban? PRPLE and SNTI. About time. Good morning, Ape Trades. Good morning, Argent Trader. Good morning, all my people. Not sure why I did that. I was reading and I was repeating myself, but it was because of you. Uh, Rob S on YouTube. How are you, man? How was your everything to do with your recovery and surgery and nose and that was on Friday, right? You had a checkup or something like that. Tell Mimi, good morning, man. All right, so our gappers, we got PRPL, we had SNTI, and Foxo. Now I know John was trading in the Discord in the morning in my Discord and making money already. And he made his money. He's already up $250. Good job. But which one was it on? Beacon maybe? So let me check out Beacon just in case Beacon. Beacon. There he is, John. John is already up on the day by the time I'm barely getting up here. I was watching PRPL sell 350k buy on time and sales. Dang. Alright, so let's look at PRPL first. Let's look at the daily. Okay. So let me delete this and start fresh because I got some red lines there. So 418 is my high. 200 moving average at 605. This one has room. We have that almost double top-ish at 442, so almost 450, but I'm going to mark it at 442. And then we do kind of have support down here, like 350s, which I guess is what we kind of already used. But so far, this one here looks actually pretty good. So I'm going to put it here as my number one. That 418 can take us to 440s, which is almost a double top. And after that, we could see the 200 moving average, which is $6. Maybe you get stuck a little bit here at like 515, but I can see this one opening up pretty well. How do you day trade? Open a trading account. Open a broker trading account, and then you can get access to fake money as well. I don't trade SPY every day. No, I trade penny stocks. SNTI. Wow, SNTI does not look pretty. SNTI does not look pretty right now. We'll mark it anyways and take a look at it just so we know. So 298 high. I've also noticed that a lot of the stocks that pop up in the morning in the scanners, the one that doesn't look the prettiest and fades away is the one that ends up creeping back up and hitting highs. I think I noticed that last week. Like your main stock, the one that's so obvious, it was just so shorted in the morning and just couldn't do anything. But the one that nobody was watching kind of just slowly creeped up on us, and then we were like, oh look, this one's hitting highs, and then you start trading it. So We'll keep an eye on it anyways. SNTI. Nice kind of pivots here around 240-ish, and then after that obviously 2.8 and then $3. Good luck to all today. Still can't trade. How is that possible, Andres? Saw that blue FDA approval. Okay, we'll take a look at blue just in case as well. Foxo. Now this one's way too giving back a lot. Oh, it's an IPO too. That's why. Yeah, I'm not that interested on Foxo. I'm putting it way dead last over here on Foxo. Foxo, Foxo, Foxo. And then Beacon. Oh, Beacon's expensive. Wow, Beacon looks like a nice little flag right now, though. If I was trading pre-market, let me see it. Kind of. It's got some room to pull back down to maybe 15, 20-ish, maybe VWAP, but that looks like a nice, pretty flag there. You do guys see all my other stuff, right? Yeah. So we're good to go. We're good to go. We have like 9 minutes left. I already went through all the gappers. I'm about to go. How old do you have to be? Depends on the broker, but most likely 18. There might be some where you can have to be 21, but I'm not sure. For sure 18. Beacon's kind of expensive. I guess I'll look at blue real quick, so give me a second, guys. Beacon right there is where I probably would be adding if this was market open. Almost down to VWAP. You're about to switch. John, that makes sense, man. You're already up a lot, so good job. Ape trades. I'm about to switch to Robinhood so I can trade off my phone and have pretty charts. Yeah, right. If you have trouble executing orders and getting in and out with Thinkorswim, imagine Robinhood, bro. Beacon, nice setup. Yes, right here in Beacon looks perfect. Beacon looks amazing. Let me look at blue. Blue, somebody mentioned FDA approval on this one, so let's just see. 783 high today. Daily, let's see how the daily looks like. This one I have way too many lines against, so I'm going to delete them all. Except for that 783 high. And then see what the real big ones are on my daily. So this top one here is 742. So that's the second highest already. So I would like to see if we come back and reclaim that 742, 750, and then see if we get an eye at new highs on this one. Jesse, what's up, Jesse? On this one here. And then if we break that, we're looking at 783 and see if we get new highs on blue of 818. Not max highs, but for the move that we've put in recently. It's not bad there. So I'll keep an eye on that one. PRPL setting up. I do see that too. Wow, they're both setting up nice. Beacon is still holding that bottom right there. So blue I am going to keep an eye on. Whoever called that out, thank you. And especially with FDA approval, if that is true. Although we do need to recover a little bit. There's Beacon. Here's where I add Beacon. Jesse, what you got for today? What is the SPY doing? Consolidating. Does it get another leg down? Does it recover a little bit? And then boom. If this flag here on Beacon or PRPL don't work, we might be looking at another terrible day. Do I trade options? Yes, every once in a while, but I don't trade them every day. And then is there apps? Yes, you can download the app for whichever broker you open the account with. Spy looks like I don't know if it was a misprint or it tried to make a, yeah, it was a misprint, never mind. I was gonna say, it looked like Spy tried to make a nice little run for it this morning and then completely rejected it, but it looks like it's a misprint. No clue, LOL. I might not trade till Wednesday unless something obvious pops up. And BCAN is an example of a stock style I love to trade earlier. I've noticed a lot of $15-20 stocks and they had a lot of volume, so they make moves $2 to $3 $4 at a time, and with only 100 shares you make nice profit. Yeah. But looking at BCAN right now, this thing should turn around here. I don't do forex trading, nope. How was y'all's weekend, guys? Yo, everybody had a good weekend? I was supposed to do some videos, extra videos for my course members, but I had no time. I unfortunately was pretty busy, so I'll do them this week and get it out to them. I did the screen ones, but I didn't do the actual whiteboard ones. Good morning, loco. AMC moving up. AMC, I'm not trading AMC. Blair, there's Blair. But let me check out AMC. Oh, let me check out old stocks. I got 3 minutes real quick. So whatever we traded last week, TMZ, high 135. You know, we're not that far off, so I'll put an alert way up here. Keep it there. IMTE, you know, I mean, put an alerts way up here, but this one's not the best. IGC, definitely no. Beat was a nice one. Beat is the one that was like the obvious stock, and you know, just doesn't break out. Drug, no. VNet. VNet is still consolidated, honestly. TCRT also going sideways, but this is the one that was so beaten down. It halted like 5 times in a row one day. HDSN, no. JCN, no. KNW, no. ADTX, no. SON. Oh, that's a stock split. I was like, oh, this one gapped up. Look at this one. This is a gapper, but no, it's a reverse stock split. Reverse stock split, not a gap up. So take that out of here. Cold. Cold is still flying. You love BCAN? Oh, the way it's setting up right now still. Dang, there's several stocks that from last week I'm like looking at them and I'm like, maybe this one can have a play today. They're consolidating right over where the previous highs were. We have about a minute left until market open here. I'm just deleting a bunch of tickers because a lot of the times I'm EGL, I'm not trading that one. So we got about a minute here now until market opens and it's time to make some money. We got to be patient. Pretend like we're up, like John, right? Pretend like we're up $300, $500, $1,000 on the day, right? That way you want to be conservative. You want to give your money back and you're only focused on trying to find the good place. So let's see. Zach is in here. It would have been nice for BCAN to hold that pivot and ADMA. So good morning, everybody. Good morning, Frank. I don't know if I told you, but we got 20 seconds till market open. BCAN unfortunately did not hold that pivot there, but let's keep an eye on it anyways and see what happens. This is a pretty volatile stock anyways, so we'll see. We are tucking underneath the ADMA, so not looking at as much. PRPL, purple does look a little bit better up here. Urban pulled back down to a good support area. I do like where PRPL is. So I'm looking at purple probably here at the open. PRPL through 418 has room to 442. And then maybe up to 5, and then 200 moving average at 6. So a lot of selling pressure here on this one already. If this pivot here, the 393 doesn't hold, I'm looking at 38. But let's keep an eye here on purple. VNet shot an alert. I just looked at that stock from last week. BCAN's holding up. Purple's not. SNTI making a little move back up. We want to see it hold VY, but we're going to be patient here on this first few trades. 3.8 might hold on purple, but you know, I think last week there was a stock that started falling like this at the open, and I was trying to find a support, and I kept buying and buying and paper cut, and I ended up losing on that stock just trying to find the bottom. This is a 1 minute time frame. Can I show you how to do this? Yes, I show you how to do it completely in the link in bio on TikTok. I have a complete course that shows you everything from a complete beginner standpoint. Ride the lightning, what's up, man? See this PRPL with that 3.8, I was tempted on it, but this thing is just free falling for now, so. BCAN open green, had good volume, but it's not holding it, so I'm scared this is just a tiny bear flag. Yep, there it is, tiny bear flag. Good morning, Sniper Trades. Holo is halted. Halted down. Everything is going down. PRPL is going down. BCAN is going down. SNTI. ALLK. ALLK looks good. There was a break of 550 just there. Next resistance on this one's like 630s. This one doesn't look that bad, Blair. This one doesn't look that bad. This one looks good. I'm looking at ALLK. $536 doesn't look bad for a retest on ALLK, but I want to see where the volume really is. ALLK does not look bad here at retest of like 536, 540-ish to reclaim 550. BCAN still pulling back, PRPL still pulling back, so ALLK for now looks like the only thing, one thing to move. Not a volume here, not a lot of volume on this green candle here. SNTI ALK 536 daily level. Yeah, that's the one I have marked as well. Yeah. That was the previous spike. Beacon halted down, okay. I'm trying to catch ALOKL back down to 536. PRPL fully down. Beacon looks like halted down. That VNet play, forget about that one. It's spiked up and pulled down. Blue completely dropping as well. So I will say volume here on this one. ALOK is pulling is disappearing, which is a good thing because not a lot of people are entering short. But I want to know that there's buyers as well. But I'm not getting a pullback to get in. Nope. But let's see. I guess if we hold or break new highs. Wow. That was a trade we had right there. Wow. Ah, we knew that volume was low right there. Why didn't we just jump in anyways? Okay, I guess we're looking, what's $6 is way up there. Holy crap. That was the trade of the day. SNTI breaking through VWAP. I see it. This one I'm looking for 632 on the daily almost. Now I could look for a 550 retest, but this thing is pulled away pretty fast there. Just add it there, small size. There's a 550 retest on this one. Now I don't see any buyers after that rip. I don't know what just happened right there. That thing completely returned. Okay, nice little pop there. Can I take new highs and see if we get a nice squeeze on this one? SNTI is still moving. PRPL kind of turning back around. PRPL kind of turned around. SNTI heading up to that 244. 244 double top on pre-market, so let's keep an eye on that one. This play here on ALOK, I was already up like 340 on it, but I was looking for that next. Wow, only made a $69 there. Dang. After being up $340, I was only made 69. Let's look at SNTI. SNTI, nice clean of retest of VWAP there. I do like ALLK still though, so let me keep an eye on this one now. Putting it on my side chart. SNTI does look pretty good. So SNTI just now starting the new 5-minute candle. Let's see if this one pulls back low volume way down here to like 229 or something like that. Maybe retest a VWAP on this one again and then see what it does down there. How do you know because it's not holding, bro? No, I don't use indicators to tell me if something is holding or not. Just experience, man. The longer you do this, the easier it gets. Dang, good job, Blair. Good job. So on the 5 minutes, ALLK still looks decent. Maybe that 555 pivot, maybe down to 550. ADMA is trying to catch up. And then SNTI, we're looking for a pullback maybe to 229-ish on that one. At least I'm looking for a 229 kind of retest, 230 down here, VWAP. Ward up. What is that, John? 5 pound Fisher outdoors. 5 pound, yeah, Fisher outdoors. I saw you were calling out Beacon halted down earlier, so I saw it. Thank you, thank you. This first trade here on ALOK was a good one that we missed. I wanted to add there, but didn't the first time we were around. $573 high on that one now, but I want this one to have a pullback to kind of cool down a little bit and then see if it gets the next look up. And then SNTI, give us that bigger pullback on this one. Holo, what did happen to Holo? I'm not trading that one. That's right. That's pretty expensive. ALLK needs to not break highs right now. I want this stock to have a healthier pullback, so SNTI now is pulling back a little better. Ape Trace, you were watching this one. What is your target? 229 as well. Okay. ALLK looks like it's trying to break another high. Watching this little pullback there on SNTI. Added here on SNTI 229, but this is pulling pretty aggressively here. Nice bounce so far. Let's see if we squeeze them back up after that bounce right there. Wow, nice bounce. That is how we nail the bottom right there. That right there is how we nail the bottom. This is what we do. Yes, sir. Now we're looking for that 244 break. Now we're looking for that 244 break. 244 break. That's what we're looking for. Why? Look at the 5 minute there. Here. I could have sold some at 244. I was a little slow there, honestly. There's 244 again. Can we get up to 250? There's 244. Look at all those green orders on the tape so far. I'm seeing 242, 243. There's a lot of green orders again. There it goes. There it goes. Sell a little bit over 244 now. And I have 1,000 shares left. These might be my runners here. But I will keep them kind of tight because I don't want to give too much back on here this first play. A trades 145 profit. Nice. Look at this. This is going to take off to 250. Two fifty, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250. Maybe, maybe not. And 35 on ALK. Awesome. Blair up $6 on SNTI. Purple trying. Purple looks like trying a downtrend. I haven't drawn it, but it looks like it wants to, maybe. Not quite there yet, but looking like it wants to. Whoa. So this SNTI is still trying. ALLK broke new high, but now it looks like it wants to get stuffed on that one. So that's unfortunate. That stock should have pulled back a little bit more and given us a fresh new push. Fortunately, it didn't. And then here on SNTI, PRPL now is actually trying it more. I'm fully out of SNTI. 244 is going to be strong, so I know I could hold these and try to get the bigger move, but 244 is going to be strong. I'd rather sell here, and if I get another pullback, maybe see if I can get another attempt. But PRPL right now is trying. Man, if only I would have taken the $300 over on ALLK first play. Beautiful entry at 230, right? The Lightning. Is that where you jumped? Is that where you jumped in? LABD. Right, the Lightning. Did you get in at 230 right there? LABD. Yeah. SNTI is still trying it. But see, we cannot get a close over 244. And then ALLK back up to another highs. ALLK maybe 573 is support now after this break and hold if we hit it, if we get it here. But this stock looks like it's trying to get stuffed up here. But PRPL is looking good. PRPL 394 is what I have my resistance at. PRPL is finally just opening up. So let me take a look at this one. $4 is right here. We never got that 394 hold. That 394 is a good pivot on this one. So we will have to go over, close over it, and then pull back. But $4 is there right there, and we also have a downtrend. So downtrend right here, which is actually where the candle is trying to close underneath it. Right here. Now we're at a new 5-minute candle. 394 could be a pivot. This thing is looking pretty strong. I want to see a little pullback to 394, but honestly, maybe if I get a little more, that'll be better. That ADMA is down there, kind of 393 as well. I see the 4-3 pivot. I see it. I see it. Blair got that PRPL play just now. There goes ALOK for another high. I had just tried scalping that one. I lost like $4 on it, but it just spiked up 10 cents to a new high. But I'm looking at PRPL. Here, pullback. It was a pullback down to like 393 there. That barely even pulled back. Didn't even let us get in. Okay, pulling back a little bit. Let me join the bid, see if I get filled down there. 1,000 shares in. Okay, I'm in. 2,500. Let's see if I can get a little lower for more. I want more. I want more. I want more. I'm surprised I actually got filled down there on the bid. I'm looking for this, just a small flag here, and see if we break out of this thing. Let's see if we get another pull back down. Add it back there again. Oh my gosh. I am the master of dips now. I am the master of dips, bro. I'm the master of dips. Look at my average with 2,500 shares right now. Oh my gosh, I'm the master of dips. Holy moly, I'm the master of dips. I'm the master of day trading. I'm the master of stocks. I'm way too good at this thing, dude. I'm unstoppable. I am unstoppable. Look at this retest here. Boom, and then fly up. New highs. I'm holding 2,000 shares back up to 418. Right here, look at this dip. That's a dip. Master of dips right here. Master of dips right there. And then watch this. Watch this dip right here. Watch this master of dips right here. Re-add back in there, and then watch this thing take off. Master of dips right here. Master of dips right here. Look at all those buy orders holding. Look at 405, 135. Lang, where you at, Lang? Look at this. 404, 53 orders, 35 orders. Gets taken out. 45, 80 orders. Gets taken out. Next order, 45. Gets taken out. Look at that. I want to take those shares that I just re-added out there for a small profit, and 2,000 shares still open here. Where is Lang today? Ooh, getting stuff there, so I took some out there. Getting stuff there, so I took some out there. 1,500 shares left still. Got a little bit stuff there. That's okay. That's okay. I have 1,000 shares still left. I would still think $4 holds as support here again. Ape Trades. I see Ape Trades killing it. There's Lang. There's Lang. Lang, watch this level 2 right here. Watch this level 2 right here. 404 orders got taken out. 405 got taken out. Got up to 406 or 407 and then could not go anymore. But watch him. Once you're in a trade, make sure you're taking walls down. Make sure you're taking walls down. Frick, ALLK is going straight up for $6. To think I almost got in on ALOK at like 530s. Here's a retest of $4. Look at this. Look at this master. Oh, I didn't add. Stupid me. Dang it. John, actually, I got great news, John. Hold on. I got great news, John. There's a $6 break on ALOK. Man, I did not capitalize on that stock there. What? SNTI, is that another perfect flag on SNTI? Is that another perfect dip on SNTI right now? Five-minute hasn't. No, this 5-minute candle just started here, but I'm gonna let it do its thing. Which stock was I just saying? PRPL. I have 1,000 shares left with a stop under 3.99. It looks like the most I'll lose is $30 on display here. But this right here is the new 5-minute candle here. Trying to see if we hold $4. Okay, I got stopped out. There's a retest of downtrend. That could have been the ad. Hold on. Hold on. We got focus here. How often do I use level 2? I use level 2 mostly once I'm already in a play, which is not probably the best thing to do. MULN, I am not watching MULN. Sorry. I'll take a look at it here in a second. Where's Mersa today? Yeah, bro, I told you my pivot is good. Finally trusted myself. Nice. I had an order at 235, didn't take. Beacon halted down, may take 850 trade, okay? SNTI was looking pretty good. Too late for that. We missed the train. Up over 1,000 on the month for ape trades. Okay. ALOK. I made this one. I was up $300 on, 341, and I closed it at 63. But PRPL $300 there, and then SNTI $400 there. So I'm up $700 so far. Decent day, decent Monday, decent week already. PRPL honestly still pulling back down, maybe to that 394, 393 pivot. And this is the retest of that downtrend, so it's holding it here. Just practicing patience until the right move comes. Sniper trades. We already know, bro. Even if you don't take trades, you'll come in here and then destroy the one trade you take. So we know. Took a small ad there on PRPL, seeing if this downtrend just holds. 393 pivot, 394 pivot holds, and we get a little turnaround. This is not a big share size trade here. Just seeing if we want to keep momentum. Buyers still in the stock. See, buyers are still stepping down there. But I do see more sellers, so. Lost like $7 on that play there. Let me see you guys' comments. Everybody give Ape Trades a little freaking fire. Dude, Ape Trades is. Oh, maybe that was a pullback. Look at that. If it goes back to 390s, I'll get in. Speak to me. Oh, John, I forgot. Oh, frick. I opened a membership at a club because I've been playing a lot of pickleball. They had like open days on Saturdays to go play pickleball. And so I decided to just open it, and then I can go Monday through Friday as long as I want, and I don't have to pay anymore to just go once. But they have free golf range included with the membership. Dude, I'm about to perfect my golf swing. PRPL looking like a reversal. Kind of, honestly, yes. What trade do you analyze right now? I'm looking at PRPL. This is not a coin. Yeah, I know. So I'm about to go out to the range, get some practice swings in, record them, send them to you, get some feedback, and then make it on tour. So, SNTI, that first flag was beautiful. Second, third, kind of you're looking at fourth now. So at that point you're like, okay, maybe I should leave it away, leave it alone. ALLK. This thing, this thing looked good throughout here, but I chopped it up. I was up $341 through this move here. Only got $60 profit, and then of course it just ran without me again. Today was your biggest day of the month. Are you calling it there? It's an awesome day, Ape Trades. That's an awesome day with your share size. PRPL, that turnaround back down there. Same here for Blair. Nice. Ape Trade's gonna call it there. Get his biggest green day of the month. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Still new to technical analysis. Okay. Dude, I don't trade Bitcoin. I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'm not trading. Yeah, they're all kind of getting smoked now. Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. I don't do any of that. Dude, this is what happened last week. We got one nice move on every stock, and then shorts got pissed. And then they freaking everything else kept pulling back down. It's unfortunate. I'm done for today, guys. See you all tomorrow. Hit well over my goal. Good job, Blair. Good job. ALLK. Back up again. Look at this stock. ALLK is still going strong. I did say this thing has a 630 on the daily, so maybe this thing... Yeah, good job, Blair. Good job, Blair. So maybe this thing does have a little more room, but I just don't like the way this thing is just non-stop pulling up. And this 5-minute red candle up here had the most volume, which is selling volume up there. Look at this thing just go. Let's see if we get a small dip of 6 or something, and this volume keeps coming. Look how much buyers just stepped in right there. So I got that pullback. Oh my gosh. No. You can't do that to me, man. You can't do that to me. You can't do that to me. I was up another 150 there and I locked up 10. 10 bucks. I guess let me see how much I'm up. Pretty good start to the day. Wow, really? Look at that, guys. Already. Oh, wait, hold on. Look at that. Friday, small red day. Kept it small. But today, I'm back. I'm back. $761 today. Clean, clean, clean. And I've missed a lot of profit, man. I missed a lot of profit. I just missed 150 here that I never took my profit there. I got stuffed on, so I made $10 there, but it was another 150. And this one again, the first time around over here, I was up 341 and locked up 60. So that's 340 minus 60, whatever that is, 350 plus 150, let's say 100, 400, $500 that I had left on the table that I was already green and never locked them up. Oh well. part of the game. But awesome, awesome. My YouTube people, how are you guys doing? 73 viewers on YouTube, and I have the same 3 people commenting. How much you made last week from trading if it's not the secret? Do you only like trading penny stocks, my bro? Yeah, I only really trade penny stocks. How much I made last week? Last week, I don't know exactly, but I think, let me see. Um, little less than 2K. Rob, you're waiting for BCAN 850, and the other Rob said they're on ALOK right now. Okay. PRPL did have another flag right there. I saw Ape Trade's think a comment earlier was like we're outperforming Goblin right now, Juan. And the yeah, their profits are bigger, but I feel like sometimes they jump into some plays that when I look at them, I'm like, what are you doing, man? You know? I'm like, what are you doing right now? I would not expect to play there or something like that, but you know, they cut it out fast anyways. They take a loss, and if it would have worked, they take a pretty good gain. So, but yeah. TikTok people, you guys have any questions? For everybody that's saying, please teach me how to trade or show me how to do this, I cannot physically show every single one of you one-on-one independently. So what I do have to offer is my course. If you guys want to learn what I do every day, you guys are watching me make real money right in front of you guys. You can take my course. The link is in the bio and use the discount 150 off or $150 off, and then it'll show you everything that you need to know to get to the point that I am. You don't have to dig around through YouTube and find videos, know what's good, know what's not. If you have any questions about it before you get on it or decide to purchase it, or if you're thinking about it, go ahead and just ask me. Blair, ALOK back down to 590s. Urban Trades, little fire emoji to me. Appreciate it. But also got my new sound system coming in for my car, so I get to install that today. Nice. Escucha, man. ALOK, even though it's pulling back right now, this thing is looking to me like it's on the back end now. So I will leave this one alone for a little bit. I will not buy a dip. Why? Because I think it's on the back end. We've already broke the biggest uptrend on the stock, and this up here was a stuff. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, guys. You hang out in there, and one day everything is just gonna click in. How long do I normally trade a day? Honestly, if I wasn't streaming, I would have been done today already. I mean, I'm not saying I have to sit here for you guys, but I mean, I'm up almost $800 on the day. Why do I need to sit here anymore? I'm up $800 on the day. People work a full week to make $800. 40-hour weeks to make $800. I've just made that in 30 minutes. Why do I need to sit here another 7 hours? I don't trade any mini S&Ps or anything like that. But usually, I mean, I would still average it at 2 hours a day. Congrats, man. We as traders are lucky to have the opportunity like that. Awesome. I'm a Sniper Trades. You as well, man. Congrats. There goes PRPL. Oh, trying to. Let's redraw this downtrend on PRPL, actually. Let me do it like this. PRPL kind of has a giant flag here, but kind of getting stuffed to me as well. I mean, kind of pulled back there, should have gone, maybe tried again, should have gone, and right now it's getting stuffed there. $4 seems to be the place the shorts are trying to back up. This community is the best. Awesome, Blair. I love it when you say that. That's why you're trying to get dialed in so you can make some money. Eric, consider getting my course, man. I know, well, I mean, if you don't want to pay, that's fine. I can still help you on the side, but my course literally has everything from the beginning, like complete, like, hey, this is what a broker is, this is what they do, this is what you need to look for, which ones are better, and then everything about stocks, candles, time frames, and all that stuff. So, how do you set up your chart with ATSD level 2 the way you have it? Active trader, what is SD? Time and cells, level 2. Today I did scale up. Today I tried playing it a little bit more aggressive, yes. And only because I took 5,000 shares on these stocks here. I would normally take 5,000 shares on the stocks that have the 4 digits. Because if they have the 4 digits, they don't, you tend to move as much, like 10, 20 cents like that. But yeah, I'm trying to, man. I'm just tired of making these small money. I'm not doing it stupidly. I think last time I said I was going to scale up, the first day I instantly bought 10,000 shares on a breakout trade that was just like meant to freaking that was just meant to freaking fail, and so I instantly lost like pretty big on that trade, and I was like, oh, I guess I'm done. But this time I'm trying to do it slowly, trying to do it right, but I do want to keep scaling up. There's a big difference from making $700 a day than making $2,000 a day, and then $4,000 or $5,000 a day. You know, so we're trying to get up to that level. ALLK still holding down here, and then SNTI kind of trying to reclaim VWAP. I'm gonna be careful on all of these. I want to make sure the buyers are on the right side of the move. Okay, so you took 1,000 shares today. Normally would take 500. Okay, so you're also trying to scale up. Awesome, awesome. We sucked when it comes to filling in. We sucked when it comes to filling in. What do you mean? Actually, Frank, to answer your question, it is a flexible grid. There's actually a YouTube video that I have that explains how I have my setup with flexible grid, so you should check that one out. So just go to my YouTube channel and type in, I think even the caption of it might be flexible grid, or my Thinkorswim setup, my TOS setup, flexible grid, something like that. So Frank, you should check that out. I mean, I could show you right now, but I mean, all you do is instead of clicking charts on the top left, you click flexible grid, which you can't see it because it's under my momentum scanner, very top left. And then you go over here to where the 3 dots are, no, the 6 little dots are, and then you customize grid, and then you're able to add or delete screens to, like here, it would add one underneath, here, it would add one to the right. And then once you add them there, you just click what you want on that. Yeah, yeah. And there's a lot of settings on my Thinkorswim video on YouTube that are probably worth it as well, so I would go check that out. Maybe some things you didn't know or something like that. Mate, how long it took you to learn trading on your own? It took me like 6 to 8 months of non-stop watching videos, and then after that I was doing the whole opening the account, learning how to freaking maneuver the platform and stuff. But I definitely think that something like that can be accelerated, because I mean it was 6 to 8 months of me kind of looking at forex, kind of looking at stocks, kind of not knowing what to look for, kind of looking at large caps, penny stocks, breakout strategies, dip strategies, swing trading. So you know it's a bunch of things. That's why I said if you guys want to do this and trade the way I do, my course has everything from beginning to end of how I trade, and that's it. I mean, I have other stuff if you want to do swing trading, how to find swing trading and stuff like that. But as far as what I do, everything there, so you don't have to look around. So you could finish the course in a week, 2 weeks, be ready to practice with fake money in 3, 4 weeks, get your strategies down, get consistent a month, 2 months, and cut that in half or something like that. So ALLK found support down there towards VWAP and 573. ALLK this one has a daily at 636, 632 resistance, which looks pretty strong. But the 200 moving average is still way up there at $10. Big Steve, how's it going? What's up, Big Steve? Going pretty good. I left a lot of money on the table, but I'm still up nearly $800, so I'm glad about that. Good day so far. And most of the money that I left on the table was on this one right here, ALOK. I'm only up 78, but a trade through here, I was up 340, and then a trade up here, I was up 150. This one I made $60 off of 340, and this one I made $10 off of 150. And this one seems like it wants to curl back up. Your training is for beginners? Yeah, my course is for complete beginners. If you have no idea what a stock is, I'll explain everything in there, and then it obviously gets to the advanced stuff that I do now. John took a trade on PRPL there, but got stopped out. I'm gonna stay on and watch all day, but I'm not taking any more trades. I want to protect my profits, sitting at 208 now after that last trade. Okay, Avaya made a nice move. It's been trading with more volume ever since that day he bought it, Juan. Man, Avaya doesn't quit. Actually, today it had a nice little pop. I appreciate your willingness to share, man. Really, thank you for doing this live. Awesome, man. Appreciate it. Thank you for going in here. Thank you for hanging out with us. Roland Joe. Make sure you, every time you're in here, let me know you're here, man. Appreciate it. Dude, how are you killing it today? Spill the beans. It's the longer hold time. It's gotta be. Maybe. Let me look. SNTI. Not really. This one I got. This one I bought it right there. Instantly, boom, ripped. I'm getting good at the dips. And then PRPL, I bought it. Bought it here. I'm pretty sure. Yep, one trade there. One trade there. And then tried it again. Look at that. Even that would have worked out. Oh, frick. So SNTI, I noticed this just now. SNTI looks good, but if you look on the daily, you're actually sitting at the 200 moving average, exactly where the stock right here is. So this whole move right here, this is a 200 moving average on the daily, so that's why it's struggling. I didn't realize that earlier. I guess I took a dip trade under it and then ripped through it. But right now, you can see how respected it is getting right here across this area. So support, resistance, and now it's trying to maybe use it as support again, maybe get flushed on, use it as resistance. So that is on SNTI, so keep an eye on that. BCAN halted again, close to price target buy-in. Waiting to see price action. Rob S, why is it that you're looking at BCAN 850? Why 850? Whoops, somehow ended up with 500 shares short on PRPL. Cost basis is 387. Well, you're in the green for those, but how the heck did you do that? Support from the bigger move. Okay. Well, that stock is like straight up going down, so if you get a good entry, have a quick stop or something. $422 on SNTI. No, I have 237. See this right here, you're thinking, oh my god, this looks tempting, but you know, get that volume in, get a pullback or something like that. The volume right now is not the strongest on that move back up. Yeah, the daily chart 200 EMA. Right here. 200. Oh, simple moving average. Sorry, for my daily is a simple. For my other time frames is a EMA. SNTI making that move back through that 200 again. You do have this pivot here, 238. But this one's going to, looks like it's trying to get stuffed. Big Steve, how did you do today, man? Small green? Did you get some profit? SNTI is still going. Now it's opening up back to that 244 though. That 244 is going to be hard to break. And then ALLK as well, still going. SNTI 244 honestly might be tough to break, but let me look at ALLK. ALLK. Can't get myself to trade this Momo. 2 trades, tiny red. It's okay. So, Big Steve, what kind of trader are you, man? Yeah, Blair, what were you using? I was looking for shorts around 4, and I wonder if I accidentally placed order. Hate that E-Trade doesn't have a paper trading account, so I can get used to it. Oh, yeah, that sucks. Dang, they don't have a paper trading account at all on E-Trade? That's kind of iffy. That's what Sniper Trades uses, I think. You have to look on the daily chart. So you put on the daily, you look on the daily, you mark the daily level, and then it'll appear, that horizontal line will appear on your 1 minute time frame. My TikTok people, is this what you do for a living? Is it sustainable? All right, let me tell you something. Let me ask you a question. I have been trading for 40, 50 minutes today. Started at 8:30. I guess let me do this. I sat here at 8:15. 8:15 Central Time, and it's 9:23. So barely 7 minutes over, 8 minutes over an hour, and I am currently up this right here. Can you see that? I think you can see that. The TikTok Live is a little bit delayed. So if I trade for an hour a day, 2 hours a day, and I'm making that much money, do you think that's sustainable? Yes, sir, it is. Yeah, I do this for a living. Sorry, I'm not trying to be sarcastic or rude. Yeah, I do trade this. I do this for a living. Juan, I just saw yesterday you have like 15K followers on TikTok. I think I'm closer to 16K now, or maybe it was 15. How long did it take you to get that? I think I consistently started putting videos out. I would probably say, what are we at? September, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Probably 6 months ago, I would say. I would say 6 months ago of consistently putting videos out. I can't believe you didn't see my TikToks yet, John. My TikToks are fire. Ha, failed. Caught in that haul down. Very small start. They do have paper on E-Trade. Oh, hey, somebody, Urban, somebody said they do have paper trade on E-Trade. Somebody on YouTube said you do have paper trading on E-Trade. Big Steve, micro scalper, mostly breakouts, but been working on taking more dip trades. My style is the same as RT and Marcelo. Struggling for more green because I don't take as many dips. Are you over PDT? I don't want to get personal, but I just want to know if you're over PDT. Argent Trader rode SNTI from 222s up to 240s. Okay. SNTI from 222. Did you buy that last dip that went down to 222 perfectly and up to 246? Dang, nice trade there. Not for the pro version, that's the pro version. Okay, okay. Nice, Argent Trader. You guys need to go on TikTok and comment on my videos. Thinkorswim and Investopedia are technically free for paper trading. Yeah, Thinkorswim basically is. It was up. I'm up $800 on the day. How did I start on YouTube? But you have to watch a lot of people. Yeah, you're over it. Okay, you have to watch a lot of people, a lot of videos, know what's good and what's not. But if you want to learn from me and have me as your mentor as well, check out the course. You have everything in the course to learn exactly how I do it, and then on top of that, you have me for any questions, review your trades or anything like that. Big Steve. Okay. So breakouts aren't really working, and if they are working, you have to almost take your profits real fast, kind of like those two guys do that you mentioned. But other than that, I mean, I'm just trading the strategies of buying the dips. I mean, not really. I'm just buying the dips, 1-minute flags, 5-minute flags, but following volume. You know, I want to see volume where the buyers are, and if it's just a profit-taking pullback, a low volume, people aren't adding in short, I will take that trade there. And if it's pretty heavy pulling back, a lot of sellers, a lot of red on the tape, I stay away from it. So here, for example, so this one's not the best example, but this is just kind of a 1-minute flag on the 1-minute time frame here. So you get that nice push up, even these two right here. So nice push up, look at that green candle, and then it pulls back. Doesn't even go lower, but that volume basically disappears on this last red candle here. No sellers there, and it's holding pivot. That's your buy. Get that next trade, and then once again, once it starts going, look at that increase in volume on the green side on buyers. And then that first red candle, look, it pulls back. Yeah, it pulled back a lot, and then it pulled back more, and then it pulled back more. But look, pulls back low volume, lesser volume. This one kind of a little bit more volume, but still less than the buyers. That's when you try to find like a pivot, and then find the next trade and the next scroll back up. Guys, now caught halt on BCAN might get wild. Still small starter. Nice, Rob. Nice. But I like the one with the Tory Lanez song in the background. I'm following you on TikTok though. Nice, Blair. Yeah, I often still buy breakouts, and I always lock in at least 50% right away. Yeah, that makes sense right now. We're not in a breakout market, but you know, we try to make it work. I still take breakouts now, but I've kind of told myself if I'm taking a breakout, I have to take a smaller share size, and I've been doing that pretty good. I mean, this trade here, I added more down here, and when I took this breakout here, that's why I was only up half 150 there as opposed to 350 there. But I have to focus more on volume, yeah. But yeah, Big Steve, any questions, let me know. Remember when you would buy a 4 breakout and it'd run 4 straight candles, yeah. Ape Trades too, man. Ape Trades. If somebody wants to learn how to do this the right way, go ask Ape Trades. Ape Trades, I always call them out, but that's because this is why I tell you guys. You know, guys, I hope you guys like really talk to me, get to know me, let me get to know you, how you're trading, you know, all that stuff. Ape Trades has done an awesome job since he's been in this group chat. He'll message me and say, "Look, man, I did this. Hey, here's a video of me recording. Can you tell me what I did wrong?" Just overall stuff like that. But he was trading futures and other stocks, and he was making $400, $500, $600 a day but then he would lose bigger on the day or maybe another red trade. And I told him, dude, just go back to small size, try dips, try breakouts, whatever you find comfortable with, but trade small size, do it for a month, do it for 2 months, get consistently, and then come back. So he started going back down to small size. He still wasn't profitable. He went maybe last month, I think he had a record day of red days, and he just was like, dude, I cannot. And I was like, just keep going. You're a small share size. You might have gone red this whole month, but you still lost less than one of those big trades you were losing in futures or something like that. He just kept going at it, kept going at it. Finally, something just clicked in him, and this month, right now in September, he has not had a single red day all September, and his profits are going up. He's still not making that $600, $700 that he was. He's got the capability to, he's got the money to, but he doesn't want to. Why? Because he's doing it the right way, learning consistency and then scale up afterwards. Learn the skill, learn trading, learn how to trade, learn how to be consistent and make money, and then worry about, oh, I need to make 5,000 this month. Oh, I need to make 2,000 this month. I want to make 20,000 this month. You can't make $20,000 if you can't prove that you can even go green at the end of the month. And I'm not talking about a crazy random lucky trade, right? You could go red all month, have one random crazy greening trade, and go green for the end of the month and be like, dude, I went green though. No, you didn't. You know, proof that you're making 60, 70, 80% green days and keep your losses small. I wonder what, I don't know how, let me see. I think there's a way you can filter. I mean, I don't know if this is true or not. I've never really done it like this, but here's my trader view only for today. So this is just today trades. $761 profit, 34,000 shares traded. Average winning trade was 250, but I only took 3 trades. I'm very, very picky on my trades. I only took 3 trades today, 100% accuracy. You know, 100% accuracy. But I don't know how it counts that because I feel like I took more than 3 trades. Anyways, I know I'm talking again, but I don't see anything. AL okay, pulling back to VWAP, but that 5 minutes, it got stuffed around $6. Kind of all through here keeps getting stuffed. The 1 minute kind of shows it a little bit there and there, not this one, but the 5 minute definitely stuffed candle, stuffed candle, stuffed candle there. And then SNTI, even though it looks good, still holding the 200. That 244, for some reason 244 is unbreakable. Right there. Good job there, good job. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. His $700 loss last month for him is not a lot. Sometimes he would lose $700 in one trade, but it going small share size to him, 700 is like that's still a bad red day, a bad red month, you know, because I'm smaller share size. But he's able to minimize his loss, not really cause financial damage while he's learning. And now this month he's consistent, and he's already up more than $700 profit in this month. Oh yeah, he said it. He said I didn't care about losing 700. He's upset about the red days. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. If you trade smaller share size, something that you're comfortable with, you should be able to go 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 months red and not be physically bothered by it. That's how smaller share size you need to start when you first start trading. When do you start trading? 15 minutes before market open. Sorry, my TikTok people. I only trade the first hour, 2 hours of market open. What's a decent win rate? My win rate is 72%, but honestly, I've seen people higher and I've seen people lower. It depends how you trade. You can have a win rate of 30 to 40%, but if you cut your losers super small and have your winners really go for you, like make you big money, I've seen people have 30, 40 win percent and still make a killing. So it depends how you trade, honestly. Anybody know what a minimum equity call is? No, I don't know what that is. It might be a margin call. Yeah, if you have anything open right now, Urban Trades, you might have to close it out unless you put more money in. If you have anything open right now. Yeah, so as far as the percentage question, sorry about that. It kind of really depends. But I do start trading 15 minutes before market opens. But yeah, I just want to say that again, guys. When you start day trading, you should go red 3-4 months, and you should be okay with losing the appropriate size of that small share size there for 3 to 4 months. Then you're doing something right. ALLK again back to $6. We're looking for ALLK to hold $6 and 612 new high. Dang, this thing just completely ripped. Took a small trade there. I want to see if this squeeze buyers keep pushing the stock up here. Very tiny size. I'm not willing to risk anything big right now, but I want to see if I get a squeeze again. Stopped out exactly break even. We're holding $6. 40 seconds left on this candle here. Green volume was perfect, but this red candle down has a lot of volume, but it wants to go. Looking for new highs. "13 seconds left on this candle here to close. I want to see this candle close pretty good. Give small light or micro pullback here. Maybe go up to new highs. Let's see. Shoot. Trading very small share size through these moves here. Looks like I'm taking a losing trade here. This is why I'm small share size here. I'm okay with holding through this pullback here. Only down 30 bucks on this trade here. Man, I just got hungry out of nowhere again. Look at that wall. 597, 12 orders, 11 orders. Not getting filled. 5 orders. Nope. Stopping out there. Lost like 40 bucks. I don't think anything is going to try to hold up now. Is Beacon halting pending news? Are you still in on Beacon? No, Beacon's not halted. Beacon's live. So ALOK definitely getting stuffed over $6. I want to see if I just get this pullback here. I added the first one at 6, added the second one down there, so I had a good cost basis. I think my average was 6 or right under 6. But this thing is getting a little heavy. It is pulling back with lower volume now, so maybe. But the 5-minute is looking pretty bad. He's in here at 594. That's a good cost basis. Why on paper everything works? Oh, Ape Trades is heading out. Awesome, Ape Trades. You have a good one, man. What do you think about spot? Oh, there's the balance right there. That was epic from YouTube? No, it doesn't sound familiar. Or actually, I don't know. I don't know what that is. I might know it if I see videos. Let me see. Oh, that guy. Yeah, I see him all the time. His name is Juan, right? DJ Cam. Isn't his name Juan? Is that why you're bringing it up? Blair's waiting for his red day. Who just said they were on 13 days green? Argent Trader. Give Argent Trader a little happy face. Good job, man. 13 days green in a row. SNTI is either going to flush or break even here. Or break out, sorry. SNTI. Same thing with ALLK. That's what I was looking for. So right now, to me, both of these stocks look very similar because they're both at a place where they cannot break out of strong resistance. So it's either we break out of it and hit new highs and go into that next move, or we're going to just break out of it, try to break out of it and flush, which is kind of what ALOK did already. But both of these right here are looking very similar. Look at that. Oops. So that's the top zone of this stock we cannot get out of. Breaking through it, pulls back, no consolidation. This thing, if this wanted to, look at this green volume through this candle. That is big volume. That's the highest volume on the day right there. This thing should have ripped up, pulled back, and then gone another leg up. But it didn't, so we're just going to keep watching. Juan, have you seen Julio VM1? This guy looks familiar, but not as much as the other guy. Dude's food, drink videos. I feel like I've seen him, yeah. But the other guy that was epic, that guy I've definitely seen. He like gives money away. You know, if I was super rich, I would do stuff like that. I would just go up to random people and record it and give them money and stuff like that. Alright, I'm out for real this time. Catch you guys tomorrow and hope you all have a great rest of your day. Juan Trades, you're the king. Peace. No, I'm the dip master, remember? What chart is this? You can see at the bottom of my, if you turn the chat off, you can see the ticker, I think. You might be able to see it through the chats, but ALLK is what I'm looking at right now. The dip master. DJ Cam, is that what you're asking? Because that guy's name is Juan. Hell, the dip master. I just said that because I went from one stock, bought the dip perfectly, instantly ripped, and then I went back to the next one, instantly ripped. So this one, actually, I think I lost maybe $50, $60 actually, on this trade. Hopefully, I'm still up over 700. That's all I want. No, I'm at 696. Oh my God, SNTI. What the heck? Dang, that was weird. I saw it on my. There you are, Lang. How you doing, Lang? Oh, Lang, did you see my analysis of that video you sent me, bro? Did that make sense to you? Crap, bro. I was in that trade. Missed it all. Dang, dude. That sucks. Okay. No worries. So I was up 760. Now I'm up 697. So I need like $3 for. You were in at 238. Dang, if only you could have sold, dude. I don't know, Sniper Trades. Seeing something like that and reject. That to me right there looks like a straight up seller's territory flush getting ready to fade all day. I mean maybe, but I don't know. That was a lot. Very fast rejection there. I like what you're doing. I'm trading crypto. Do you trade stocks? Yeah, I only trade stocks, man. The SNTI, yeah. You guys can look for a dip somewhere. Look at trend line, maybe there. Oh, actually, why did that put it up higher? That's not where I meant to put it. Why is it doing that? So there's a trend line touch. If you want to dip buy, that right there it is. But not for me right there. ALOK also trying it. I'm honestly way more interested on ALOK. Once again, look at this volume here. I do need just like $3. So let me see. Can I pop up? Give me like, there we go. Okay, I think I'm over 700. Oh. See, sometimes I could scalp, like, I could scalp stocks all day, kind of like that. But nothing I'm like, hey, I can scalp this with 2,000, 5,000 shares. No way. You know, so I could scalp everything all day long like that, but I just look for the bigger trades. So that I did make like $12 on that trade there. Tiny size, but I made $12. So I'm back over 700. So I'm happy with that. If there was a lot of volume, if a stock was clearly uptrending right now, I'd still be looking for possible trades out here. But honestly, I don't see anything, so I might just keep it like this and see what happens. Below that doesn't look good to me. Still no trade for me today. A damn slow day. I think traders just waiting for JPOW to give us curse or blessings on Wednesday. Okay, yeah, Juan, I was thinking about this. Do you think you could get 650 a day by making 100 per hour during the course of a full trading day? Honestly, I don't know. I've never really tried it. Um, it would be all like taking small paper cuts, paper trades. But I don't know if I could take trades like that and make 12, 30, 50 bucks every once in a while if it would work out. I don't know. Think we will get that 1% hike or the 75%? What type of broker do I use? TD Ameritrade is a broker. Thinkorswim is a platform they have. Watching how you trade and want as well to start trading stocks. When you say I got X amount of shares, what does it mean? So each share right here, it costs, for this stock right here, it's $6, right? So this stock right here costs $6. If I buy one share, that just means I have one share of this $6 stocks. If I buy 100 shares, then I have 100 shares of a $6 stock, which basically I have $600 put in. You know, so that's just what it means. I have a certain amount of shares is how many shares I have. I think you should try a small cash account challenge one. Dude, I've never really tried cash account though. I don't know. That'd be kind of tough. What I would try, definitely try a small account with options. I think a small account with options might be a little bit better to grow. And I think if I was to able to grow a small account with options, if I ever get to the point where I take from like say $200, $500 and I take it up to $20,000 or something like that, at that point I'd literally just be like, you know what, I'm gonna gamble 5,000 or 20,000 or 10,000 into one trade and see if I can go from 10,000 and multiply it to 20, 30, 40K, and then at that point it's like, shoot, I had $500, I just made 20K, it's out of nothing. Maybe try to just use this, but I've never really tried it. But that to me, I am kind of curious of trying the small account options challenge. As far as stocks, if I had to do a small account challenge, I feel like I would still cash account would be hard. You have to probably use CMEG. I think you would have to use CMEG. I bet I could maybe do it with a cash account, but it would take so long. You know, I mean, you only have a certain amount of trades you can take and not big share size. I'd give anything to be the trader last year that I am now. Hey, that's a good thing, man. That just shows that you're improving, John. You've joined me. I don't know how long you've been here. A month or 2 months, maybe more, 3 months. And all I know is you're killing it, man. All I know is you're killing it. It was so fast. I was trying to sell half. You don't have hotkeys, right? The Lightning. I trade straight cash and I have to keep share size small, otherwise I tie up an entire day's capital in one trade. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense, Urban. Uses a cash account most of the times. Best books for learning. I have several listed on my Discord. Um, so if you go over to my Discord, go ahead and go there, and I have a resource tab. Trading is in the Zone is what seems to be the most popular one by Mark Douglas. So definitely check that one out. Trading in the Zone. Urban Chase is very picky. I'm very picky. That's how we have to be. Right the line. I can't find your Discord on the YouTube page. Any video that I post. Just go to any video. You might have to get out of my live to watch any video, or do it on your phone or on your laptop or something like that. I've tried that and I feel terrible. If that doesn't work out, then I have to wait a full day and live with the failure. You got your day on BCAN low. Oh my gosh, Rob S. I don't know how you nailed that bottom. I didn't want to say anything on you, but I was like, BCAN is gonna fade all day. But dang. Rob S on YouTube, John, kept saying 850 all morning. He got in there at 850, maybe a little lower, but climbing back up. Halted on the top side. ALOK finally broke highs. Let's see. Broke highs and got kind of stuffed. ALOK looking for, let's see if we get a pullback here. Micro pullback. 30 seconds left on this candle here. I don't want to get stuffed or flushed on. 5 minutes looks terrible, honestly. This stock just cannot break out. No. So Lang, look at this. 606, 31 orders right there, right? They're not getting filled. 30, one got filled. 100, restacked to 32, okay? Filled to 26, 32. That's 606. None of those orders got filled. If I was in that trade looking at 606, I saw 31, 32, 30, 26, restacked to 31. None of those orders were getting filled at all at 606, which was right there. At that point, if I was in that trade, I would say, you know what, I'm getting out of that trade because none of those orders are getting filled and we're not taking each level on the way back up. So you can use it if you're already on a trade and you see, like, if you would have gone an entry down here and you're waiting for this thing to break out right there, that's when you're like, okay, you know what, it's not taking that wall, I'm not taking it out, not taking it out, not taking it out, you know what, I'm out. Call it a trade. Or you can use it for a breakout. A lot of people use it as a breakout, like 613. If you're right here and you're looking for a 613 breakout and there's 400 orders there and it goes 200, 150, then you're like, okay, this is my breakout. You punch the buy button. The second that breaks out, you get that breakout trade and you sell on the other half. Took some BCAN around the $8 mark, up $1 a share for Zach. Dang. PRPA broke downtrend and testing VWAP purple. Okay, okay, I see it. You still have the bigger downtrend though. The big downtrend, just connect all the big yeah. So it looks like Rob had a 769 average on that one. Good job, Rob. Good job, Rob. That's incredible. DJ Cam, did you ever tell me what why'd you mention that was Epic channel? So Ride the Lightning is gonna go get some breakfast. Good day, guys. Ride the Lightning. Did you find the Discord link? Yeah, it is a privilege, Lang. I get it. In stocks, are there leverage like in crypto? Yes, there is. I don't know how much leverage you get in crypto, but there is leverage on stocks. What's my overall P&L for today? I'm up $710. Is BCAN halted? BCAN last time I checked was halted up, yeah. No, it's halted up. Look at the time in sales. Short SPY at 87. Yeah, it was that. Yeah, we do have the same name. Oh, it resumed. Oh, not a good resumption, but holding up somehow. If it breaks that pivot 882, this thing can flush down. So I'd be careful, Rob, if you're still in here. Or Zach. Zach is still in here. So 950, you could see had a lot of orders there. Broke through it. 975. This one's hard to see, honestly. It's moving too fast. You want 10 plus? It's close. It's close. 975 there. Close. Broke it. There is 978. 980. 34 orders on 980. 30 orders. 35, 27, 23. It broke down. Did you see how fast that goes, Lang? I was like 35, 20, 30, 35, 30, 26, 23, bro. It's very fast, but in that instant, if you just stay at the level 2 and you have your hotkeys, you can see it either break down or not. If it doesn't break down, you're out. But here, 986, let's look at it again. 988, 2 orders, 1 order. There's 990, 17.5, it broke. I can't even get one to stay. $10, 30 orders, 35, 14, 31, restack, 30 still at $10, 20. Nope, couldn't break that 30. 22 there again, 25 again. Still 25. My thinkorswim kind of froze a little bit. I saw 6 and then it froze. Purple testing downtrend. Didn't quite break it. AVCT. AVCT. AVCT holding up, okay. Rob sold on that one. Jesse, you're calling out SPY 387 short. Let me look at SPY. Oh wow, 387 was a clear short on SPY. That was the pre-market highs. I keep thinking, telling myself, you see my my chart here, Jesse? This is my analysis for SPY Um, right here. This is that down uptrend that I had. So one touch, two touches there, kind of three, kind of stumble it again right there. So you can see this one right here is being respected. This is where we popped back up and Urban called this trade here short. And then I jumped right there for the break of that downtrend. That was my short on mine. I missed that top entry. But I kept saying, I didn't see this. I kept saying if this thing comes back up and retests up here, that same uptrend, I will go in short there for the retest and then pull back down. But honestly, it looks like this right here is holding. Or even this low pivot up here of 388 kind of holding. Yeah, 387 was a nice short. I do see AVCT kind of moving slow. ALOK looks like it's finally done. SNTI, that dip looks like didn't really work. Kind of a little bit. If you add it there, you might have gotten break even small red. But this one again, that 200 moving average on the daily cannot get over it. It's back under it. So this one I don't expect a lot much anymore. And that's pretty much it. You're looking at calls for the queues, okay? Where did you get all these other trackers? What trackers are you talking about? The thing right above my face and then to the left of me? Zach, you're still on Beacon? What the heck? That is trade ideas. Good morning, young boy in it. Can I up in precision now? What do you mean? Zach is up $2.25 a share. Small share size, so you're letting it right up. Um, that is trade ideas, Samuel. It's a monthly subscription for a scanner that that I pay monthly, so you guys get to see it completely free. But above my face is a momentum scanner, and then to the right of me is a halt scanner. So anything that halts, it'll show it there. Zach also looks like he's long on the queues. And just like that, everything just completely died on the day. Yo, what's up, Corbin? I do not trade crypto. I am not trading crypto. I'm trading stock market. I trade stocks. I think Sean finally wanted to do that interview with me. Let me see. Alberto Gomez, any more trades, Juan? I had to go for a bit, but I'm back. No, I haven't seen anything. I haven't taken anything else. Nice trading, Juan. Appreciate it, Rob S. I think I'm out. Getting fear missing out on Beacon. Want to take my goal a day and run. Yeah, yeah. It kind of turned back a little bit, so you didn't miss out on much. And honestly, I really don't expect this stock to turn around completely. Hopefully, but uh, but yeah, good trade there, Rob. Good job. How's your day trading going, bro? Pretty good, Rodrigo. Up $710 on the day so far. Pretty good clean trades that I had, pretty good dip buys that I had that was able to get some good profits and almost instant pops after I bought, so that was pretty nice. Samuel, I finally put my first trade last Friday. Bought AAOI plus 10 shares at 291 and sold at 385 for almost $10 profit. Not bad for the first time ever. Dang. You almost got $1 a share on your first trade. Dude, that's awesome, Samuel. Awesome, man. Good job. Keep it up. Keep that small share size up until you can prove you can do that 70-80% of the day. But yeah, awesome. No, I mean, you did something right. You did something right, and you didn't grab your profit right away. So good job on being patient. Zach, are you still holding TMZ? I was gonna say TMZ is one that I kind of briefly looked at this morning. How do you doing, Juan? I'm doing pretty good. We will for stock. I think that's under 18. Okay. I'm doing pretty good, Corbin. I'm up $700 on the day so far. Rob S. Judy Corey, your trade today? Awesome, man. Awesome. Post it. Post it somewhere. Let me see it. Or send it to me or something. I don't know. The market is a little bit dead now. I'm not seeing much. You may do a recap? Awesome, Rob. Do it. You gonna post it on YouTube? Good work, dude. Appreciate it, Corbin. Appreciate you stopping by in here. Wait, came back. Look at ADTX. What got you into trading the stock market? So honestly, one of my friends one time was like showing me how much apparently his friend made a bunch of money. ADTX, I did not realize ADTX fell down so hard. Holy crap. I was like, oh, maybe ADTX is back up to highs, but no, this thing is completely gone down to $3 after it was almost at 40. Wow. You might get a dead cat bounce, but holy crap. So he was like, hey, dude, look at this guy. He just made $5,000 today trading Forex or whatever. And I mean, I joke about this all the time, how Forex is so popular because so many pyramid schemes and so many people out there are like, hey, if you join here and you get people to recruit, if you recruit people and get them to join, you get a partial of their stuff and all that stuff, whatever. And I'm pretty smart. I didn't fall for it, but I was like, you know what? I don't want to make the money off of people joining. I want to make the money because I make the money trading. So I started watching videos on Forex and YouTube and all that stuff. And awesome, Rob. If you make that recap, let me know. I'll check it out. I started watching videos on YouTube, and then just the algorithm, Forex stocks is very similar, crypto, all that stuff. So I started getting stocks videos, and I looked at that, and I don't know why, it just seemed a little more like um, not like I guess reputable. I don't know what the word I'm trying to think of. Like more. I don't know. Just stocks seem better to me, and I don't know why. It's just completely just what. I'm just gonna look at stocks only. I think the majority of it also had to do with the time zones when you're trading currencies. Yeah, ADTX, kind of pulling back. How do you deal with those emotions? I'm still struggling to overcome them. Emotions is probably what is going to make you a successful trader or not. If you can control emotions, you have it in you to be a successful trader. If you're super emotional and you cannot trade without it, like seeing red and freaking out, or seeing green and taking profits right away, or getting mad and frustrated and prevent trading, you will not be a good day trader. PRPL coming back, maybe. Kind of stood out more. Anyways, I just started looking at stocks and I traded stock. Oh, the other thing I was gonna say, the majority of it is I think when I was trading forex, a lot of those pairs have super different time zones, and like for you to trade the hot time zone for like the pound or something like that, it was like at 3 in the morning or something like that. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing that. And when I found out the stock market opens 8:30 for me here Central Time, I was like, you know what, that's perfect. Lines up perfect for me. So I just started doing stocks and I got into stocks and it worked out. So, Samuel, I don't know why I keep trying to say it in, like with a Spanish accent. ADTX, yeah, John, that thing completely turned around. And honestly, just the daily, it just looks so being down. I don't know how low the stock can go, but you know, shorts are in there. We'll have to wait for it to almost bottom out on the daily and see if we can get a nice pop back up. But it's still coming out of a pretty big gap down. My Tradecaster people, where y'all at? Let's see. John and Merc are in here asking a couple questions. Anybody else trading anything? Looking at anything? It's because of the Latinonas. Samuel. Your name is Samuel, not Samuel. But I was gonna say. So I don't. I mean, all you really need is limit orders and market orders. I don't think you need any of the other ones unless you want to use like a trail stop. I'm betting on SNTI. You're betting. Did you add it 230s and keep holding? But I mean, a trail stop is it's on its own, but honestly, it's not gonna work out as much in this market probably or at all. A trail stop is like if the stock is doing this, like this. What a trail stop does is it follows it. So you put a certain percentage on it. So this is my trail stop, and price is going like this. Then it moves up by itself, and then it moves up a little bit. It moves up by itself, certain percentage, and then the stock keeps going up. Then it moves up by itself a little bit, moves up by itself a little, moves up by itself a little bit, keeps going up, and then finally, if the stock has a very fast move down like this, and say my trail stop kept moving up and it moves down right there, my trail stop itself would cut me out and take me out of that trade right there by itself. You know, it follows it up by itself because you put a certain percentage or certain profit or whatever you want it, and it moves up. But honestly, I mean, the stock has to be doing this. What is it going to do? Right here, it could have gone out there. Definitely out here. You join here, could have gone out there, out there, out there. You know, it's not really working in this market. Nothing's opening up like crazy and allowing you to stay in a trade. Stop limit. No, stop. So stop means a stop order, which means to sell. You have to buy. So let's say, for example, on that example, if I buy right here, I buy however I want, market, limit, or anything like that. Once I have the shares and once I'm in the green or in the red, then I can add a stop loss, stop limit order. Or trailing stop, sorry, trailing stop. So trailing stop is when you already have the shares going long. How did I learn to trade? YouTube. Everything's on YouTube. You're gonna have to find the good videos, the good people out there. I couldn't even tell you one because I watched so many people and so many videos, and on your own realize, hey, maybe this is good information, maybe this is not. But if you're interested in finding a shortcut to finding all those videos out there, my course link in the bio has it all from beginning to end and exactly what you need. No BS there. And then use the discount 150 off at checkout. Did I ever pay for a course? No, but I definitely took longer to learn, I think, because I did everything on my own and I didn't pay for a course. If you find the right course out there, you could definitely speed up the process a lot. I know I say it every day, but give Juan some love. The best group on YouTube. Awesome, Rob. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, everybody on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm almost to 1,000 followers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, stay active on chat so the algorithm promotes it to more people and we can get more people in here. TikTok, trying to play this downtrend break on PRPL. It's right at it, yeah. Here it is. Price action is weird today. Price action was good the first 30 minutes, which is where I made my money, and then I'm just sitting here. Nothing else I see. Would I ever pay $2,500 to learn how to trade Forex? No. You will not be the only millionaire in this group chat, Juan. Hopefully all you guys learn. You guys are learning a lot watching me. We're all making it. We're all making it. Alright, so getting kind of slow. I don't really want to call it yet, but I do appreciate you guys right there on YouTube, because I know I have a lot of people watching and a lot of them don't like to comment. They're lurkers, which is okay with me as long as you guys keep coming in here learning and watching. That's fine with me, but I do appreciate you guys commenting, liking, subscribing, all that stuff. Why is nothing moving, Corbin? That's what I'm asking, man. Well, you said, would I ever pay $2,500 to learn Forex? Um, I don't have my layout shared, but I explain exactly what my layout is. The only reason why I don't share my layout is because I have 4 monitors, and so if I just shared it with you guys, wow, look at PRPL. There's a break of downtrend. If I was to share my layout with you guys, it would be a mess for you guys, because it's 4 screens, so it wouldn't really make sense if you put it on a 1 screen, 2 screens, even 3 screens for you guys. And I do have a video on YouTube that explains everything about my layout, so I show you exactly how to make this front one that you guys are seeing, which to me is the most important one. So I have a video on YouTube. Just type in Thinkorswim layout and then you'll get it. So PRPL broke downtrend. Urban Trades calling it a day. Keep 1 into 4 trades, and that's not smart trading. Have a good day, guys. Awesome, awesome, Urban Trades. Yeah, Jeff, go check it out and let me know if tomorrow, if you check it out today and come back tomorrow, if you have any questions, or on that same video, if you still have any questions, comment them and I'll get back to you, okay? Yeah, bro, following you on all your platforms. Way too much content right here. Appreciate it, Alberto. Andres on purple looks like he might have gone in. Crypto's also doing nothing. I myself thought basically scalping. I wouldn't say scalping. I would just say day trading. I mean, kind of scalping. My trades are a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes long, maybe at the most. But I'm not scalping as in I'm literally getting in and getting out so much. You know, I'm getting in and out where I think there's a big move coming and I'm nailing them. Purple is still trying to go. Purple. We had that break it down trend. We broke out of it. I want to see if we keep this volume here. Maybe we pull back, retest downtrend. That 394 was also a nice pivot. How long did it take me to be consistent, profitable? I was pretty fast at it. I mean, when I started doing real money, I was in already 7, 8 months of learning. So I kind of had a good idea and good of watching the market every day. So I think within the first 2, 3 months, I was profitable. Purple is the only stock I'm looking at right now. Perfect, thank you. I'll go. Okay, yeah, I saw that. SPY is still under that 386, 387. It came back up and it touched it again. Did you jump in short? Jesse, are you still looking for that short? Because that SPY is keeps going up to that level twice now, and it just cannot break out. And honestly, I don't see it breaking out. J Runner, which specific? I couldn't tell you one. I've watched off of so many people. I mean, you type in how to trade, and it's gonna show you 5 or 6 YouTubers. I watched all of those, and plus a bunch of smaller channel. Like literally, there's not one where I was like, this guy right here has everything for you. No, and I will say most of the things, it's you're learning the basics, right? You're learning what a stock is, how to put an order, how to. But a lot of the stuff that I'm learning and trading, I mean, it just comes with experience. Something you just have to realize and learn from your own. Which is why I say my course shows you all of that. I mean, like half and whole dollars. I don't think I learned that anywhere. Nobody online there's not a YouTube video that tells me, hey, this is where most breakouts happen or where most sports. I kind of just started like, oh my gosh, I got stuck right here. What is that? $4. Got stuck right here. What is that? 50 cents again. 50 cents, $4. You know, kind of stuff like that, and then. Wow, as I was saying that, SPY completely reversed. Yeah, you got two small puts. I think that was a place to get puts up there on SPY. SPY opportunities on Wednesday, yeah. So this pullback here on purple doesn't look too bad. Urban trade's nice. This could have been the place to add there. So I'm watching purple right now. I hesitated right there, and it looks like that was a play. But I kind of wanted to see if I would retouch this down pivot up here, the 392, and almost kind of retest the downtrend break as well. But maybe that was the ad there. Already could be up a couple cents. I was watching SNTI. On SNTI, I made $393 on it, but that was on the first move up here. On SNTI, I made my money on the first 15-20 minutes on SNTI. So up $400 on that stock. I'm looking at all the different stocks. If you guys hang around, you'll see. Right now I'm looking at purple, but I don't know if I'll take another trade. You know, up 700 on the day. I might keep this for a Monday and see what I can do tomorrow. You see, I don't think I've ever heard Carmine Rosado. I'm up 700 on the day, Samuel. I've been sitting at 700 on the day since 30 minutes of the market open, so I've sat here for the last hour, hour and a half, and haven't really taken more trades. Ow, my toe didn't pop. That's cherry, bro. I'm telling you, on Mondays I have, oh, purple. Maybe that was a place to add. Man, look at that perfect flag. 1 minute flag. I almost added exactly right there. Right here. White penny stocks. It's just like watching paint dry. I do that. We say that expression a lot, Corbin. How are you doing today, Corbin? Did you take some trades at least? Did you get some money early on or no? And then why penny stocks? I don't know. I guess I just like the volatility of penny stocks. I always question myself now if I was to just trade the big gaps and just learn one stock and just Tesla, SPY, Qs, just learn one stock and learn how to trade that stock. I would also feel like I would do good because you're so familiar with one stock. You're like, this is too high, this is too low, this is a major support resistance, or yesterday felt so heavy. If you trade one stock like that, you get the hang of it as well. But penny stocks, I don't know. I just like the volatility. Some of these things can run 100, 200, 300% in one day, and yeah. Oh, Carmine is a guy. How much do I make per day? It depends. Like, really will depend. I can make $200 a day. I can make $1,000 a day. I can make $500 a day. I can make $2,000 a day. I can make $10,000 a day if I wanted to. You made in a 2-hour day what I make at work in 40-hour weeks. Same here, someone. And that's the right mentality, Samuel. You should come into the markets not looking to replace your income, but hey, if I make an extra $200 a month, that's awesome. And then you're like, okay, maybe now I can up $500 a month from trading. Awesome. Next, oh my God, I'm making $1,000 a month from trading. Awesome. $5,000 a month from trading. Awesome. This is my full-time job. I'm making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. You can scale it up. So Rob looks like he's heading out. Awesome, Rob. Appreciate it. This is not Trading View. This is Thinkorswim. No, I scalp mostly the 1 minute time frame, but I do use the 5 minute. Okay, so you trade crypto. Awesome. What's up, lonely man? Han trades, you're an normally man. It only took you 3 months to be profitable when Han trades, you're an normally man. Why does it do that sometimes? When most traders take at least 1 to 2 years. Do you live trading full time? You said, yeah, this is my full time job. So J Runner, let me tell you this. The reason people take so long is because they don't do it the right way. People don't want to do it the right way. People come into the markets and they want to make $2,000 a day their first month, their first week. And so these people come in here and they lose the majority of the profits, so then they have to trade super small share size or, figure out a different strategy or something. PRPO, this pullback here is not too bad. Oh my God, I almost bought that pullback there too. This is what happens when you're up pretty decent on the day. You start hesitating trades. Even though they were small, I nailed that one there. I almost clicked it and I nailed that one there if I would have jumped in it. But they're not obvious trades anyways. I'm looking to scalp these. That's a small scalp. That could have been a small scalp right now. Put a stop loss, break even, and I'm set. It's not like the big trades that I usually take. But yeah, J Runner, I think a lot of people don't approach it the right way, and that's why they lose their money. They blow up accounts. I never blew up an account ever. And if you were to tell me that, a lot of people are like, dude, you're BSing. There's no way you haven't blown an account. I really haven't. I took it small since I started. Yeah, I took some big hits. I took some bigger losses, but the majority, I was small. But nothing works for you. Something does work for you, but nothing, not nothing. Yeah, Pablito 97. You gotta figure out, man. You gotta figure it out. If you're trying one strategy and that one doesn't work, try something else. If that other strategy doesn't work, try something else. We all trade the market differently. So did you only fund your account once? Was it over PDT? When I first started, it wasn't over PDT, but then I realized very fast. I was like, oh my god, I can make a lot. So I did put enough to go over PDT. And yeah. That's the thing. I could take someone a year to find out where they truly excel in the market also. Yeah, you're right. Dang, look at that purple trade again. Oh, come on, man. That right there was the trade on purple. And that was the pivot I was looking. 391. I said it earlier. Zach took it. I'm pretty sure I said 391, right? It dipped down to 390. And that's your average, 390. Good job, Zach. That one I blame on all of you guys. You guys distracted me. Just kidding. But yeah, guys. Take it slow, take it slow. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. And you guys literally have me here completely free every morning to ask questions. And if you really are a beginner and you want to learn, check out my course. I really do suggest that. I mean, you guys can tell I'm not a guy that's out here flexing money and just like doing this to scam people. Obviously, I made a course to make a little extra money, and obviously I have to charge something. I'm not gonna do it for free. I spent money on it, so obviously I have to charge something for it. But honestly, I would have to say my course is worth it. I mean, I have everything you need there to learn. Now it's up to you if you want to take it the right way and take that information and be successful, or if you just want to pay for it, come into the markets, go all out, lose your money, and say day trading is not a legit way to make money. That's on you. You're the most humble and realist trader out here, bro. Appreciate it, Samuel. Which course are you talking about? My course. There goes. Oh my God, Zach. I have a course. If you're interested in it, I should have the link in bio for. I mean, the link in bio for my TikTok people and a link under my YouTube videos as well. And use the code 150 off for 150 discount. Purple, man. Purple is going. $4 breaking out on purple here. Good job, Zach. Good job. If you're on my Discord, I have a link for it as well there. So here's my Discord. Hold on, I'm watching purple though. Hold on. I'm watching purple. 4 could have been a small dip, but I want to see if we get 398 or something a little lower. And I want to make sure buyers really are holding this move here, not completely flush. See, we're kind of flushing here, flushing here. Look at how many orders are stacked at 401. Not going down, went up higher. Using level 2, that's all I'm staring at right now there. Those orders are stacking higher, so this thing is going to pull back just like that, Lang. Look at that, Lang. That right there avoided me from entering that $4 dip trade. Those sellers did not break down. The trade was down there, man. I nailed that trade if I would have taken it. Unfortunate. Zach took it, so good job, Zach. So if you go to my Discord here, go to my Discord and then go to trading course, and there's a link for it. Right there. For everybody that's asking for my course. And then do this for the code. and then you get $150 off. And if you guys want to DM me and ask any questions before that, go ahead and do so. I think somebody was asking me what my the real me is. I might have other scammers in here, so let me check real quick and kick them out. Alright, so I should be the only Juan Martinez in my Discord now because I got scammers everywhere. I should be the only Juan Martinez now. So if you guys want to send me some personal DM questions, go ahead and send me some now. Spy, Jesse. Spy at 387. Zach, are you calling me out, Zach? Dang it, we missed that trade. I'm no longer interested. If this thing wanted to keep going, I would have wanted it to hold up here a little more and then keep going. So this is pulling back a little too much. Dang it, man. Dang it. That should have been another good winner today. I nailed it. Dang it. How much is my course? It comes down to 300 with the discount. Which people in my course say it's worth it completely, and some of them said it's should be worth more. We got you all distracted, bro. Love how buyers break it out and then abandon it. Yep. That's okay, guys. I'm up 700 on the day. I kind of wasn't looking for another trade. That one kind of just set it up perfectly. Break a downtrend, pulls back. Has a nice pivot there from 391. Kind of was looking at it. Kind of almost punched the buy button. Didn't really, and then finally it went. So that was a good trade there, but looks like that'll be it for me. How's everybody doing on Tradecaster? I need everybody on Tradecaster to tell me how they're doing today. I want to see. You guys are still in here. 34 of you guys are still in here. Who is all in here still? I think Ape Trace had to walk away. I'm sure John said he had to go do something. But everybody else. Green, red, small red, big red. Green, nothing crazy though. Okay, okay. Small green. Okay, nice. Argent Trader should be green, I think. Big green. Yep, there we go. Good job. Tsusoya, small green. We all green so far. Did I see Mursa in here today? I think I saw a few messages, but where's maybe not. Is Mursa? Did Mursa not join us today? Andres looks like green paper though. Nexar, ping the course link here. Okay. Sorry. I forgot I can do that on the YouTube people. And you can see exactly everything that's included in my course before you buy it. So that's the course link. Let me send you my Discord link as well, just so you have it and you can join my Discord. John on YouTube, Red Day, that's okay. No, I don't have mods. There's my Discord link. My course is... Oh, I already answered that for you. And then I guess if there's anybody new on Tradecaster, here is my Discord link. I really don't see anything else moving anymore, guys, so I might be calling it here in probably 10-15 minutes. Go eat some breakfast and get a little bit hungry. But yeah, anytime you guys have any questions, go to the Discord and go ahead and ask it in public, or I mean in my general chat Discord, or to me on there. And if I reply or somebody else reply, we'll definitely help you guys. Juan Trades, I've been trading for 9 months with small amounts of money, and today I finally made it all back. There we go, Argent Trader. Nice, nice, man. Good job. Back in the green. Amazing. Do you guys have any last minute questions? Juan, would you ever do one-on-one training? If you get my course, I think during the course, I'd say I offer full mentorship. I don't have like crazy amount of people in my course, so if you do my course, I do mentoring, and any questions you guys have on there, I completely answer them for you guys. There's a few questions that one of the guys keeps asking me, and I mean, I'm not an expert of the stuff that he's asking me, and so I was like, you know what, I really don't know, and I kind of quickly looked at other things to kind of direct him towards. But basically, if you're in my course and you pay for that and get in there, I will help you as much as I can. If you want me to review your trades, go ahead and record them, send them to me, I'll review them. If you want to have a few questions after you watch my course and you still something doesn't understand, doesn't click into you, I can explain it. I can make another video. I can hop on a quick call with you, quick screen share, anything like that for everybody that's in my course. So full mentorship included. VNet finally ripped. This is one I was keeping an eye on all day from this morning. 6.5 is a break on this one. I don't expect this one to go either. Nexar, you did, but you lost 5K. Doing what? Yeah, Samuel, I mean, I can do that. If you get my course, I will help you anytime you need any help. So momentum was here in the first 20-30 minutes and then died. Purple, SNTI kind of got a good trades here. BCAN completely, now it's halted down. ALLK, this one is the only one I was not able to capitalize on. This dip here, I really did not see it. I wouldn't have taken that, I have to say. I wasn't going to take it that one. But I had a breakout trade here and a nice dip over here that I let go. LABD, slow mover, kind of popping up. AVCT, another smaller stock. John called this one out. I think he called it out through here, so maybe there could have been some trades. Maybe some trades through this one, but missed it. And then ADTX also was called out. This one completely gave it all back, so nothing there. Yeah, everybody give Argent Trader a little fire emoji, please. Back in the green, awesome. I always forget to do those things unless I see them. Next, I want to learn trading, bro. Either you learn on your own and come in here and watch me day trade, or you can get my course and get everything off the beginning, off the start to learn, and then I'll help you out as well. Good job, Argent Trader. Good job, good job. Samuel, reason I ask is because I paid 2,500 for courses and it was a total scam. I would much rather pay you 2,500 to be honest. Gosh dang, man. Feel bad for you. Well, in that case, my mentoring is $2,500. One-on-one mentoring, $2,500. Anybody want to do one-on-one mentoring? I charge $2,500 an hour. Here, my first customer here, Samuel, can tell you how perfect it is, how awesome it is. It will change your life around. I'm not giving my course for free, guys. I cannot give my course for free, guys. I just can't do that. I've put 2 to 3, 4 months of every single day, Monday through Friday, recording, editing. You know, I can't give it for free. I think I'll stay for the lies. No, it ain't. If you spend 2,500 bucks, for a one-on-one mentoring. You get 2,500 bucks the first week in profits. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I am not a financial advisor. I don't guarantee any profits for you guys. I have to say this, otherwise, can you share what is your A plus setup? Um, Recently it's been my dip trades, just kind of looking for pivots. But I used to be only breakout trader. How much is my course? $450, but I'll give you a $150 discount. So $300, which is honestly the cheapest course I've seen out there, and honestly not a scam at all. Anthony, awesome man. Let me know. Send me a DM first. Let me talk to you a little bit and see and all that stuff. And if you want to get the course, go ahead and do it, and I'll help you out, man. I'll help you out. There's free courses on YouTube that teach you, and joining in with John and the AM for a couple hours definitely teaches you some good strategies. Yeah, yeah. For sure, most of them above 700 to 1200 I've seen. This is crazy, man. It's like people want to learn how to trade, but people don't have $1,200 laying around to pay to learn how to trade, and then where's their trading capital going? That's if somebody wants to join the stock market and trade, and they have $2,000, then half of it already went to the course. So off for the day, Argent Trader. See you tomorrow. Awesome. So J Runner, my quality trade ups right now are just kind of dips. So for example, let me look at SNTI. No, let me look at. So not very good examples, but usually my trades used to be just a breakout trade. Like this is 2 candles down, and right now this thing pulled up pretty aggressively. My usual trade all last year was chase this thing for a breakout through here, and then sell right here. Right, so breakout trade. But right now I'm trying to buy the dips, and so I'm looking where the volume is going. I want to move up with strong volume, and then I want that move down right there with lower volume. See how this is decreasing right here as it's pulling back. That's where I want that pullback. Now I'm looking for a pivot. Anywhere to find a trade that there was resistance, I want to find a support there. So if I kind of look left, I see this. Right? So resistance, 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 flat top, breaks out of it, support, breaks out of it, pulls back down, lower volume, right there, pulls down with low volume. Low volume sell mean people are not adding short to push the stock down, means people are profit taken from this move here. So that's just a small pullback. That's where I want to enter my trade because people are taking profits, not shorts entering, and because I'm at a pivot support, right? So there's resistance, resistance, support. I want to hold it as support, and on top of that, you're a VWAP, so that's kind of double support there. So that's exactly where I bought, and I got that move all the way back up. So you can see one is here to there, and my trade now is from here to there. So definitely more profit to be made. Yeah, that makes sense, Samuel. It sucks, but that's just how it is. But sometimes you have even bigger stocks, like they could be $5, $6 stocks, but they move faster, so your return, even though you have less shares, could still be big, uh, or bigger. Indicator reveal. I have the 9, the 20, and VWAP. That's all I use. So the 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and VWAP. Bro, I need scholarship, please. I don't have money to buy your course, and I'm very poor. What I recommend is, man, save some money on the side for now, but go on YouTube, watch YouTube videos. Watch YouTube videos. Watch the market every day. It's free to watch the market. Flag dibs, yeah, yeah, yeah. But save some money. You obviously cannot make money in the stock market if you don't have money at all. If you're completely poor, you can't make money. So I would save a little bit of money and use this opportunity right now that you don't have to trade because you don't have money to learn. Learn it. and then in a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, when you get some money, then you're already 4 months in of learning the stock market, and then hopefully you can make some money then. That's what I just suggest. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it there. I mean, I took trades and I was done trading by 9. I traded 30 minutes. I think I should trade it one or two more times for like $10 profits after that. But I was really done in 30 minutes. I just hung out here for you guys to answer a few questions and all that stuff. So I'm gonna head out. If you guys have any questions, demo accounts. You also have demo accounts you can trade with fake money as well. Time frame, please. I use 1 minute here. Oh, I guess you're on TikTok. You can only see my 1 minute chart. That's all you can see. Golan055. Good, Juan. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate everybody on TikTok. I don't know how the gifts work or anything like that, but if you guys give me gifts, appreciate it. If you give me likes, appreciate it. If you're commenting, appreciate that as well. Peace. Have a good day. GDA Trader. Awesome. So, guys, I'm going to head out for the rest of the day. I don't know if I'm doing the interview with Sean or not. I'm kind of tired of talking. My mouth is dry and I'm kind of hungry. Zach, good job again on the $2 a share play. Samuel, open demo accounts, use paper money to understand trades. No one will ever be 100% correct in the market. No one knows how it will move over. It's all time and analysis. Buen dia, Juan. Appreciate it, Alberto. See you guys later. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be posting a recap on YouTube today, so you guys go like, comment on them, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live stream. I am finishing the day $710 profit, so that's a good, decent day. $700 profit there. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions about my course, I give you guys my Discord link on YouTube. I give you guys my Discord link in Tradecaster. Just go join that Discord link and ask me any questions. DM me, and make sure you're DMing the right guy. If I start asking for money or go to a specific website, that's not me. If I'm talking to you about my course and all that stuff, then or just anything in general asking you, then that's me. There is a way you can check it. My numbers are 1003 1003, but I think ApeTrade said that people can even fake that, so I'm not sure. Or just comment in the general chat, the Discord chat. Hey, is this you? Tag me, and then I'll DM you. Alright guys, I'm heading out for the rest of you guys. See you, Alberto. See you, Samuel. My Tradecaster people, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here every single day. I'll see you guys. If you guys are still trading, please go over to the Discord as well. Nothing is money there. Everything's completely free. And you guys go over to this day trading chat right here. And we'll still keep trading here if we see anything else come up on the rest of the day. So go right here. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, you guys know where to find me. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good rest of your day.